Possibility space diagrams will help you solve probability problems with equally likely outcomes. Like this example here, two coins are thrown at the same time. Find the probability that at least one coin lands on heads. To list all possible outcomes, we use possibility space diagram. We draw a row for one coin and a column for another coin. In coin 1, we could get tail or head. Coin 2, the same. Inside this rectangle, we fill in the possible outcomes if both coins have been thrown at the same time. So it could happen that you get tail on coin 1 and tail on coin 2, or head on coin 1 and tail on coin 2. You could get tail on coin 1 and head on coin 2, or you could get two heads. Now the question is, find the probability that at least one coin lands on heads. So we circle possible variations, and it should be head, tail, tail, head, or if you get head, head, that's good. So the probability of getting at least one head would equal to, we've circled 3 possible outcomes out of the total of 4. Our probability that at least one coin lands on heads is 3 out of 4. There could be another type of question on probability, like this one, for example. Draw a possibility space diagram to show the outcomes when these two spinners are spun together and the scores are multiplied. What is the probability of getting a 2-digit number? So we draw a possibility space diagram to list all the possible outcomes. Draw a line for spinner 1 and a column for spinner 2. On spinner 1, we could get 1, or it could land on 2, on 3, or on 4. Spinner 2 could land on 5, 6, or 7. Inside this rectangle, we fill in all the possible outcomes when two spinners are spun together and the scores are multiplied. Now if we get 1 on spinner 1 and 5 on spinner 2, multiply the scores. 5 times 1 is 5. If we get 2 on spinner 1 and 5 on spinner 2, multiply the scores. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 4. 5 times 4 is 20. So if we get 1 on spinner 1 and 6 on spinner 2, the score is 6. If we get 2 on spinner 1 and 6 on spinner 2, the score is 12. Or 3 on spinner 1 and 6 on spinner 2, 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. And then next one is 24. Next one, 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28. Multiply the scores. Now, answering the question, what is the probability of getting a 2-digit number? Circle all the 2-digit numbers in our possibility space diagram. and write the answer down. Probability of getting 2-digit number is, we've circled 9 out of total of 12 numbers. This is the probability of getting a 2-digit number is 9 out of 12. Or we can simplify this fraction and will be 3 out of 4.